driving. Time to hold on for dear life.
You ready? You ready for your jet ski that you've been waiting for? Ready na.
Your engine. This is how you put it back on.
Okay.
Your gas is right there. Once you start it, you'll be idling forward. Right here's a no wake zone, so that's really all you need. You don't need to give any gas through here. Say when you're going like fast, you're trying to turn, you gotta make sure you maintain some gas while you turn, otherwise it'll keep going straight.
Oh, okay.
I'll tell you when to hit the green button.
I'm nervous.
Yeah.
We go.
See, you got this.
My God, Shai. Oh, stop. How you stop it?
Okay, let the boat go through. Yeah, just go behind it.
Hello ka, Shai. Shai ba?
Yeah, see, you got this.
Hello, there's a boat. We'll just go. Oh, Shai ba.
No, when you're turning, you gotta push some gas. So push some gas while you're turning, so you can turn. Yeah.
Hello, we're gonna go down.
Oh shoot, I didn't notice that boat right there.
Yeah, I know. I said there's a boat. Shai ba, I'm so scared, Shai.
See, you're a natural. You got this.
Wala ka, Shai. Wala na, Shai.
It's not gonna do anything unless you have to.
I'm so scared. Did you turn it off? And then how did you brake?
Don't run into them.
How?
You're on red, so you're gonna, oh my.
Oh my God. Can you go here, Shai?
You want me to try it?
Not yet.
Alright, press green.
Bago mag-start, palabas mo muna kami. Sumunod ka sa akin, ha? Okay, start na. Start mo na yung ano mo.
Yeah, there you go. See, you got this.
Shai ba? I'm scared, Shai.
You got it. Keep on going.
Oh God.
You're a very responsible driver.
I don't know. I don't think I can do this. I'm going in the wrong way. Oh God, help
Don't
me.
follow them because they're all the way up there. Just keep on going. You got this.
So we just split everybody up, so I'm gonna take you guys and he's taking them and I'll drive slower now.
Okay.
That'll work.
Alright, you guys follow me.
Asa na siya? Oh, sorry, Shai ba?
It's okay.
Napapagod na yung ano ko. Shai ba? I can't do it. Ay, naku. Ano ba to? Inay, kaayo si Manang. Okay, I'm tired. Hold on. Are you okay? You should be the one driving. Huh? Stop?
Cut off.
Oh my gosh. I'm scared. Where you going? Don't laugh at me.
Make sure you were doing okay. Give you guys a few minutes to let your hands rest real quick.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous. I can't. You need to
Give y'all like 2-3 minutes, let your hands rest, and we'll ride again.
you need to keep your thing steady, right? Because if I keep doing like that.
The Jetski steering is super tight, so like a little bit of turning goes a long way. So if you do this, it's like turning your steering wheel like 3 times.
Oh, so I need to be.
I just do like this to steer. So a little bit of steering.
Oh.
Hey guys.
Huh?
All right. Let's see her driving.
Oh, saan kayo? Ha? Nag-iiyak na ako. Hindi na kayo nakapunta sa ano. Doon. Sana yung mama mo na lang, Day.
There's a boat right there. All right. Time to hold on for dear life. Feel free to go faster. Woo!
that's scary. You should be the driver.
I mean, you did very good when you went fast.
Oh, thank you, Shai. You guys probably already went to the Fil-American.
Pontoons and the jet ski.